Creating predecessors in Microsoft Project helps define the sequence of tasks and their dependencies. Here's how to set them up. Open your project, launch Microsoft Project, start the application and open your project file. View your tasks, Gantt chart. Ensure you are in the Gantt chart view where you can see your tasks and their respective details. Select tasks for dependencies. Identify tasks. Choose a task that you want to set as a successor. This is the task that will depend on the completion of another task. Define predecessors. Task details. Double-click the task you want to set a predecessor for. In the Task Information dialog box, go to the Predecessors tab. Enter predecessor information. In the Predecessors tab, add the ID of the predecessor task. You can also select the predecessor from a drop-down list. Specify dependency type. Choose dependency type. Select the type of dependency from the drop-down menu, such as Finish to Start, Start to Start, Finish to Finish, or Start to Finish. The default is Finish to Start. Apply and save. Click OK. After entering the predecessor details, click OK to apply the changes. The Gantt chart will update to show the dependency relationship.